starting the day a bit easy today. We've got lots of snow coming in, so we can't go up to Seongsan Ilchulbong yet. Right now we're just here at Orrrn Cafe, enjoying some seaside views and bakery food for breakfast.
We've got ourselves some milk tea coffin, berry pie, and also hot chocolate.
And we're just gonna enjoy the time and hopefully get to go up to the peak later.
Ooh, there's some like cream on the inside. I believe that will be the milk tea flavored cream. The coffin is very crispy on the outside and soft in the inside. And the milk tea filling, cream filling I believe, gives it sweetness. It tastes really like the original milk tea kind of taste. It's not too overpowering. And it's really just right, I think. Looks really crispy.
I really like this a lot actually. The berry cream is actually very light, very refreshing with a slight tinge of that berry taste. Slightly sweet as well, just the way I like it. While the berries are the one that are bringing the real flavor and the sweetness into the dish. And the pie itself is just like a croissant. Crispy, fluffy, with a bit of saltiness as well. We're now at Seongsan Ilchulbong. The weather is still going quite crazy right now. We've got strong winds and plenty of snow. And the snow melts very quickly, so it makes everything wet. But we've got a hike to the peak. And it's about 20 minutes up and 20 minutes down. We think that it's still doable despite this weather. So we've put on our raincoats and hopefully we get to see some really nice sights up at the top.
Wow, look at the views!
Wow, it really looks incredible. Especially the snow, it makes a very dramatic effect.
But you don't know how much pain it just took to take this 5 minutes walk. It's so cold. My hands are freezing.
It's freezing. My face is freezing. Oh. Yeah, we might not be going out to the peak anymore.
Yeah, the views are... it's too foggy to see a thing.
She can barely string a sentence together. Oh, that's mad. Wow, look at the view. Hey.
Utterly drenched.
Yeah, it's super wet out here.
Oh my god.
I wonder if we can even go in and visit.
오고. 저기 막 눈두면 못 오고. 발레세에서 못 내려가지. 나는 오늘 따세요, 그래.
This is my first time eating raw abalone. Get it? Okay, let me try it. On its own first? It's unexpectedly hard.
Crunchy?
Yeah. I was not expecting this. I was thinking it was gonna be like very soft. Tastes a bit like squid, a bit. The texture rice. But it's really much harder than squid. It has a really interesting chew to it.
Disclaimer, I don't really like shellfish in general. I only eat scallops. It's on chili to support the taste. I didn't even bite it off.
So what does it taste like that you don't like?
I actually don't know. It's a bit like too seafoody. Then the texture is a bit, it feels like it's a bit slimy. Yeah, not my deal. I'm just gonna eat onion. I can see Udo Island from here. Oh, and in just a split second, Udo Island is gone again. They're getting absolutely better and better in the rain. We're now here at the Jeju Folk Village. The weather is absolutely crazy. There's so much snow everywhere. Ada's freezing a bit.
Yeah. My God, can you see that?
But we're gonna explore it anyway.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go! Oh, look at the folk village. Just a couple of cows chilling in the warmth, away from all of the snow. We've been just wandering around the villages, looking at like how they've been living, their schools, their houses. I think up next we do have a fishing village as well. Yeah, that would be pretty cool to see. Just us enjoying the snow.
Yeah, we seem to be the only ones here.
Yeah. I don't think anyone in the right mind is out here exploring this in this weather.
I think we've got like 2 more sites before the exit. So let's go check them out and head to dinner afterwards.
Yeah, let's go.
white sauce on the bottom is potato curry, then the other one is a homemade the barbecue sauce. Mix them gently and put them together.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
This is the halasam burger.
We've got some potato puree, meat patty, what looks like a really nicely charred pineapple, grilled onion. This is tomato. I believe this is some shrimp, deep fried shrimp thing. Let me give a puree a taste first. Oh.
How's it?
It's good, it's good. It tastes a bit like curry actually. It's really, really good. Wow, look at everything open up. Super juicy. This is shrimp, beef, pineapple, onion. There's some puree below. Yeah, I'm just gonna give it a bite. Let's start from the bottom. Potato puree, nicely seasoned. The beef, very tender, very juicy. The pineapple, very nicely caramelized. The onions, surprisingly sweet actually. They were very well caramelized as well. Delicious bite.
And here we have our cream with basil pasta.
A generous topping of shrimp.
Very fresh. The basil taste is quite strong for me. Yeah, it might be a bit too strong for someone who doesn't eat too much herbs or like veg in the first place. Wow, look at that huge shrimp. Really juicy. I think they seared it because you can taste like the barbecue taste a bit.
So a nice char on the outside.
Yeah. Tiny bit spicy because they added the chili flakes. I think it's very nice.
Wow, that was a delicious dinner at Madame Jo's. Really, really good Western food, their burger, their pasta.
But now it's getting late, so we're gonna head back to our hotel and rest up for tomorrow. Good night!
Good night!